Hey guys, Skip our here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we'll be playing some Happy Wheels. Yeah, I already got the level started, so let's do this. This level is called Glass Levels. With a little smiley face. So yeah, let's guys to quickly myself on board. I'll be back. I'm back guys, I can't find any food, so let's get started with this level. I'm not reading it yet. 7 series. Glass break. Oh, ooh, 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 wow, my FPS is quite low. And that's quite a lot of megabytes there. Hota! Hota! Ah! Ah! Ouch! My face! Ooh! Hulk smash glass! Hulk can't even smash 16 bottles! Oh! Oh god, my face! Need some glass. Oh! I need to go back up. Oh, stop! A little bit more. Let's do this, mates! Woo! Speed is kill! No, make it! Yes! Spin bottles. Still going too fast. Hulk! Smash! Bottles! Bottle stacks. Are you kidding me? That's so simple. Oh, it's an Illuminati eye. Oh. I'm kissing the glass bottles. Well, let's read glass bottles. Oh, I can do this. As long as I don't. No, my helmet. Well, what's the point of a helmet anyway if it doesn't even protect your head? Oh, I'm a child murderer. Yes. 95.60. That took me 1 minute and 35 seconds. Oh well, let's just do this one. It's called Bumsy Wave. Oh, you need to on. Oh, I believe I can fly. I think I can do this. Oh, my head. That looks weird. And how is that going to even stay balanced? That's impossible. I believe I can fly. Ooh. Oh, it's getting so faster. OMG, this is scary. No! Oh god, my head. Ow. Oh! I can win. But it's a hanging as long as. Oh, I get it now. Come here, sir. I'm gonna hold your head. Yee-hoo-ha. OMG, well. His bald head is kissing my. You know what? Ooh, we're brothers. We're swinging our feet. Stop kissing that. I can hold on for so much longer. No! Oh, I kissed the wall. No. Oh, okay, we're not injured. Next level. May video ko! I'm doing a video! Okay guys, sorry. My parents just interrupted my video, so rope swing time. Oh, are you kidding me? Let's try that again, shall we? Woo! Again! Woo! I believe I can climb up. Are you serious, Steve? Segway Steve, are you even serious? Let's do this. Oh, no! What? What? What just happened? That's what this serious murder. Too far, too far. There we go. There we go. Oh, Nick. What? Oh, okay. Oh, what? What? You want to hit drop swings? So yeah. Let's see which one. Ball throw hard and ball throw. I like ball throws. That's... Oh no, I don't want my grandpa to die. That no, never mind. Yep. That no. There you go. Yep. Win. Oh, third try. Can you survive? Two. Huh? Oh God! Well, that was an... Oh God! Wait, there you go. Moves! I told you to. I'm still alive. I am bending. I have gone beyond the limits of being a human. Oh, I told you. Look at that stretch. Look at that bending exercise. Wait guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back and yeah. Don't want to talk about that. Let's do this again. Restart. Oh, I believe I can. No, hold on to the freaking platform. Move. Oh, Stevie boy. Move. Oh yeah. Oh, nobody can check me now. I'm gonna write 5. What's this sound? Oh, well, I just made a little problem for myself. Oh God. Oh my, oh, that's painful. Help me. Oh, help. Oh, look at that, he's twerking. Oh, my leg. Help. Oh, I'm like pooping on spikes. That's the worst way to poop. Don't please try this at home because I want you to get this butt hurt. Yeah, I'm not that good at English, but it's my language. Help! Ash, my arm. Next level. Yeah, I swear I saw Death Note level. Here it is, Death Note. Oh, Death Note. Start. Oh, I like this life for next. Life. This man has a habit to rape and murder. You deserve to die. This man shouted. Die! Die! Oh, nobody can destroy it. Death for life. I don't think we need to die though. It's okay. That don't even like my dog that much. Yes, lady took a 6 and 6 and 6. I got a book! Death. Nobody can escape the death with my Bugar by wrong. How dare you! You deserve to be assassinated. Life. Rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? I think it was 6. Next level. Oh, another sword fight. Yes, sword clip art. I like this. Oh no, I can move. Grab it. Yes. You. Yes, I win. I win like a boss. Don't aim at stealing Jacksepticeye's sentence there. Pogo fights! Yes! Where's Pogo Pete? Oh yeah, oh Billy. Have some bills of money. Oh God, my boot! Oh, throw that. Throw that in your head. Stab yourself. Oh God. Oh, I stabbed my My penis. Oh, never mind. I'm the one who's dead. Can you guys please shut up? I said I'm doing a video. Oh, I go follow up. Whee! Foot punch! Actually, that was a kick. One kick! Oh, that was close. One punch or one kick. One pogo! Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so that wraps it up for today's Happy Wheels video. And I'll see you again in a video. Goodbye!